So you've gotten admission into the university, you've packed your bags, you're all set, you've gotten ready, and you're just waiting for that resumption date. So you're going to move. Kindly slow down. I know you're happy to go to the university. You can't wait to experience the school life. You can't wait to see what it looks like. But I would advise you to slow down, because how are you going to school in a completely different environment filled with new people without even knowing what to expect? Anyways, I got you. I mean, that's why you guys have me. Just like the title of this video, navigating your first semester at Caleb University, tips for freshmen. Now, I used Caleb University because that's my school, of course, and I feel if you are a student of any other private university, this video will still be beneficial to you. So just keep watching. You're also going to learn a lot. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new here, my name is Chioma, a final year student of Caleb University. So I believe if you're a fresher of Caleb University, we are definitely going to meet in school, and I trust you all to always say hi whenever you see me, because why not? I do not bite. First of all, congratulations to all the new students who have just gotten admission into Caleb University. To the best of my knowledge, you guys are resuming next week, Monday, the 16th of September 2024, and this is like the official resumption date. If you are not ready yet, you mustn't resume on Monday, but if you're ready, it's better you resume. Besides the ones that actually watched my previous Caleb video, Discover Caleb University Ultimate Guide for Parents and Guardians, followed by the announcement I made on my community post, you guys don't know the joy in my heart to see how helpful those informations were to you all. And so if you find my last video helpful, the Discover Caleb University Ultimate Guide, blah blah blah, I'm glad to hear that, and you're highly welcome. Today I am here to share some essential tips, as always, to help you navigate your first semester smoothly and make the most out of your university experience, because I don't want you all going to school for the first time and making mistakes that you're probably going to regret in the future. So you can call this video a big sister advice from me to you to help you achieve a smooth first experience at university. First and foremost, let's talk about academics. As a fresher, your primary goal is to get a degree with good grades. You should always have this at the front and back of your mind in case you start going out of track, so you can always call yourself back to order. Yes, you should also have fun and enjoy yourself. It's all part of the school experience, but do it with sense. You should get valuable friends that would lead you to the right path, not the ones that will put you in trouble. Don't be in a hurry to make friends at all, because for instance, in most cases you realize that the people you were friends with in 100 level, you no longer relate with them that much in 300 level, and it goes on like that. Try to know people well and know if this person is actually worth being friends with, if this person's interest aligns with yours. Because for instance, Mr. A might have the mindset of, oh, I am out of home now, I am free to do whatever I want now in school, and Mr. A might not even have the interest or mindset of getting good grades as you. Even if that mindset was an error, let's say Mr. A just didn't think towards that direction, but Mr. A is not even willing to learn from someone or change that mindset, and then you are now friends with such person, what do you think would happen? Mr. A would obviously try to influence you negatively, and if you are the type that can easily get influenced by others, or the type that is not well bent on getting what you set to achieve, you see yourself going backward. Also, you shouldn't make friends with people that all they do is put you in trouble. You need to stay out of trouble with all your power and might, and of course, try not to be the bad person also, because at times some of you are actually the bad eggs that needs to be avoided. You get, so try your possible best not to be the bad person. I don't think I emphasized on the grades enough. I mean, this is the foundation of your success, so you really need to prioritize your grades and do your best to start well. You know, some people have this silly mindset of, oh, it's a private university, so we are always going to pass even if we do not write anything in the exam. If you have this mindset, you have the chance to trash it now, like now. If not, CEC 1.1 CGPA. It's a private university, doesn't mean they dash marks. If you fail, you fail, and you keep carrying those courses if that's what you want for yourself, because not attending lectures and not preparing well for exams are the obvious reasons why you would fail. So if you do those things, I don't think there's any possibility of you failing. Do the right thing and you'd be on the right track. So I want you all to know this and know peace, that no one would dash you marks or give you free marks just because you're in a private university. I mean, no one cares about the amount of fees you pay. You still need to do the right thing to get the grades you deserve. Take good care of yourself. When I say take good care of yourself, how you look, how you smell, your mental health also. You shouldn't look or smell like your problems. And you see that smell, very important. Try to always smell nice. Don't go out and spoil people's day with your smell. Let someone perceive you and feel, what's the smell, and not the other way around. Attend lectures also, very important. I don't want to start over emphasizing on all these because I already mentioned them in my previous Caleb video. So if you've not watched it, do well to watch it. Okay, let's save your data and avoid repeating those things. Attend church services also, very, very important. But if you say you have strong head and you will not go, I laugh in community service. By the time you sweep school compound, you pick dirt, you cut grasses, or you wash public toilets, schools public toilet or hostels public toilet, my brother, my sister, is not someone that will tell you the next church service you'll be the first person to enter church. Make sure to always do what you are supposed to do. Be free to join activities in school, church workers. Be free to apply for class rep, class governors, all those things. I'm more of an indoor person, so I don't really know much about the activities in school. Be free to find out and join the ones that aligns with your interests. And be free and be happy. You do your thing. Just make sure you're doing the right thing. You're not breaking the rules. Now, time management is the key. Create a balanced schedule that includes study time, research, and extracurricular activities. You should do things at the right time and know when to be seen in some certain places. Some people have this habit of going to the cafeteria at night. Mostly freshers. Most of them don't have anything to do there. It's not food they want to buy. It's not water they want to drink. It's not snacks or even anything from the supermarket. But they'll just dress up in their bubble gown, plenty lip liner and gloss, or the guys in their polo, whatever, and they go there to sit down and maybe stare at people. Why? This person might have 8 a.m. class the following morning, but see what he or she is using their time for. Please and please do not cultivate such habits. It's not good for you, not good for your health, not good for your grades. That's even how you put yourself in trouble, because at times when you are at the wrong place at the wrong time, you get blamed for something that is not even supposed to be your business. I am not saying you shouldn't go to the cafeteria at night to get food, but I am saying if you don't have anything doing there at night, don't go there. Some people may claim they are going there to see a friend. What happened to daytime? The cafeteria is always crowded and stuffy mostly at night, and I wonder why. The few times I went there to get food at night, I could not breathe. Because of that, I always make sure to avoid having a reason to go to that cafe at night, because the place is always crowded and stuffy mostly at night, and you begin to perceive things that are not even pleasant to the nose. Please and please don't go to school and cultivate such habits, because people are doing it. Don't just follow the crowd even when it doesn't sit right with you. You should do things that you know are the right thing to do. Don't hesitate to ask questions in class. If you do not understand what the lecturer is talking about, ask intelligent questions. Don't just open your mouth and say anything. Same thing if you need help or information about things you do not understand around the school, you can politely ask people around. I see some freshers in school behaving so dull and shy. Some will go to CAF and just be looking. I noticed a girl sometime last year, yes, she was a fresher obviously, and then she was in the cafeteria, she was in the queue for food, then someone from behind her just came and maneuvered and entered her front, and the person got attended to, and she was just standing there looking. You shouldn't do that to yourself. Don't let anybody intimidate you because you're a fresher. Being a fresher is not supposed to come with dullness. Don't just sit back and relax because you do not understand a particular thing. Always ask questions, ask people around you. Even if you see me in school, ask me anything you want to know. You should also build good relationships with your classmates and others, because you never can tell how these connections might help you in the future. Your personal well-being is also important. Maintain a healthy diet. Make sure you eat well. There are 2 cafeterias in the school as of when I left. I heard a new one has been opened, but I don't know about it yet. Just know there are several cafeterias in the school, so you can always select the one you can afford and get your food there. Of course, the prices of the cafeterias varies. There is the one of cheap food and the one of expensive. Not so expensive, but higher than the lesser one. So depending on the quality of the food, it's going to be more expensive. You get, so you get to know them and know the one that you can afford. There are always more than enough food available at the cafeteria, so while pursuing your academic goals, you should always make sure to eat well. Don't go and faint because you're in school. Exercise regularly if you can, and make sure you always get enough sleep. University life can be stressful and draining, so make sure you take care of your mind and body. Familiarize yourself with campus resources like the libraries, the laboratories, the computer labs, and other important areas like that. These are important facilities to help you succeed. You paid for them, so you should make the most of them. Dress well according to the school's dress code and hair code. If you don't have idea, watch this video. I wouldn't want to repeat what I have already said in previous videos, so you can always watch this video. The link is in the description box below. I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. Do not do things that would implicate you or make you to be declared wanton. Respect yourself and others, your lecturers, your fellow students, your securities, hostel porters, sheriffs. Overall, you should always be at your best behavior. I've seen many 100-level students getting suspended or even expelled, not even up to 1 or 2 months after they resume. I'm sure you don't want that for yourself. I don't want that for you too, which is why I'm making this video. So make sure you watch this video very well and share to your friends also, the ones you know would be beneficial to them. Don't be stingy, share it to them, because someone out there might as well need this information. So make sure you share. Stay away from unhealthy relationships as much as you can, because I don't know what a student of 15, 16, 17 is doing in a relationship. You would obviously be deceiving yourself and distracting yourself from your main purpose in school. Don't let any girl or boy deceive you. Unnecessary relationships like this are the reason most people get themselves into trouble. Because I don't know why you'll be seen with the opposite sex in a lonely, quiet place or at night in one corner. Why? What are you people doing there? That's how you put yourself into trouble. Even if you weren't doing anything, being caught in such place alone is already suspicious. So you should try as much as you can to stay away from unhealthy relationships like that. Relationships in school should help you build your academic and moral goals, not help you get into trouble. Lastly, let's talk about financial management. Create a budget for your daily expenses and avoid unnecessary debts. For example, don't say because you see people buying chicken and chips and deep down you know you can't afford it, but you'd rather use your feeding money for like 3 days to buy chicken and chips for 1 day. My brother, my sister, you're gonna suffer. You're gonna soak Gary for the remaining days because I do not know whom you're trying to impress. So always do yourself a favor and do your parents a favor to spend wisely and spend according to your pocket. I would also advise you not to fall into debts, unnecessary buru, lend me this, lend me that. Don't do that. That's how you make people see you finish. Don't ever try to do more than yourself, like to do past yourself. Be yourself and always do you. Now let's talk about the hostels. I wasn't going to talk about hostels in this video, but I kept receiving questions about a hostel, that they ensuite, so I decided to just say it in this video. We have about 4 types of hostels in the school. There is the 6-bedded en suite, the 4-bedded en suite, the 6-bedded shared bedroom and toilet, and the 4-bedded shared bedroom and toilet. It goes from the 4-bedded en suite, the 6-bedded en suite, the 4-bedded shared bedroom and toilet, and 6-bedded shared bedroom and toilet. The prices varies like that. Like the 4-bedded en suite is the most expensive, followed by the 6-bedded en suite, followed by the 4-bedded and the 6-bedded shared bedroom and toilet. I don't know if it is right for me to mention the prices here, but I don't think so. I feel if you've gotten admission already, you're going to see all those things in the admission letter. They attach it there. You're going to see the hostels and their prices, so there's nothing to rush about. You don't really need me to tell you the prices here. You're going to get to know eventually. So that's just it about the hostel. The en-suite rooms, there's nothing extraordinary about it. The en-suite rooms has bedroom and toilet in the room. That is why it is called en-suite. So the 4-bedded and the 6-bedded en-suite rooms have bedroom and toilet in them. That's the main reason why it is called en-suite. Now the shared bedroom and toilet rooms, they don't have bedroom and toilets in them. Those ones, they have their bedroom and toilets in the hostel, and trust me, they are more than enough. You can use any of them if you stay in such hostels. They have enough bedroom and toilets in the hostels. You can use the one closest to your room, and it is always neat. There are cleaners available in the hostels, in the school, and they clean up the hostel toilet and bedroom every day. Whichever hostel you're going for, anyone is fine. Just pick the one you can afford. The names of these hostels: for the 4-bedded en-suite, we have Deborah Hall, Mercy Hall. I think that's all. For the 4-bedded en suite, that's the most expensive. For the girls, I don't really know for the guys. I think there is Levi under this category. For the 6-bedded en suite, we have Rebecca Hall, and for the guys, I think Elisha. For the girls, for the shared bedroom and toilets, we have Susanna Hall and Mary Hall. Hope I'm not forgetting anyone. Yeah, there is Susanna Hall and Mary Hall for the shared bathroom and toilet, and there is also Dorcas Hall. I've not been there before, but they said it's for master's students. I've not had anything to do there. Normal undergraduate students also stay in Dorcas Hall, but me, I've not been there before. But then the halls that are for undergraduate students like you and me, I mentioned them. 4-bedded en suite, Deborah, Mercy. We're building another one. I don't know what category that's going to be in, but for now, Deborah and Mercy. And then the 6-bedded en suite, we have Rebecca. The 4-bedded and 6-bedded shared bathroom and toilets, we have Susan Hall and Mary Hall. For the guys, Levi Hall. For the 4-bedded en suite, I guess Elisha Hall. Then there are also other ones, I think Joshua, Joseph. Not familiar with the guys' hostels. That is that for the hostel. I don't think you should have any other questions about the hostel, but if you do, always feel free to ask in the comment section. I make sure to reply every single questions I get in the comment section. I hope these tips will help you have a fantastic first semester at Caleb University or any other private university. Don't forget that university is a time to learn and make unforgettable memories. So if you have any other questions or further advice, feel free to reach out to me in the comment section, and enjoy your time in school. Once again, a happy resumption to you all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and watch my previous videos if you haven't, especially the ones about Caleb University. If you need those information, don't forget to watch them. Link is in the description box below. Some of you bombard me with questions and everything, and you're not even subscribed to my channel. Why? You want me to start behaving like, okay, because this person is not subscribed to my channel, I'm not answering you? Is that what you want? Please and please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, because why not? I keep serving you all with important and useful information, and the least you can do is to subscribe to my channel, share my videos, like and comment. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. I would also see some of you in school. Make sure to have a fantastic resumption and enjoy yourself. Stay blessed and take good care of yourselves. Once again, you're welcome to Caleb University, and I hope you enjoy it there. I'll see you all in my next video and in the comment section. Bye.